So what we're doing today is we're fighting food insecurity in Denver. So all the food that we're packing today goes local. It stays here and it feeds people that are really in need of food.
Behind us today, one of our internal crews, Culture Club, coordinated a crew to come on site to pack meals for folks in the Denver area who don't have access to the food they need.
One package will feed 8 people.
We feel like it's very important to create those community ties, and events like this are really great to have employees engage with the community and hopefully do some good.
We have a huge amount of hunger right here in Denver, and I love seeing organizations that belong here helping to feed all of our friends and neighbors.
What they're doing today will immediately go out into people's homes.
Coming into an organization such as this that wants to promote community and serving our neighbors is fantastic for us. We wouldn't be able to do this otherwise.
Yeah, so Culture Club is a group of AgentSync employees who help organize events for the organization as a whole to take part in. So we've done events like school supply drives. We've done a really fun event last year. We got to build bikes for some kids at a local school. Just a lot of things that help us to provide things back to our community that has welcomed us here in the Rhino neighborhood in Denver.
It's really important that we recognize the leadership your company is bringing to the Denver metro area. We have a lot of challenges in our community, including how we're connected to one another, how strong and resilient we are as a community, how equitable our programs are.
It's always been a big value for AgentSync to do this, and it was a big reason I came on, was seeing that this was a huge piece of our culture. And so working for an organization that really puts this as like a first and foremost thing that we do at least quarterly, it just helps me feel like I made the right decision. So.